This is a brand new 2014 Ford Mustang. Its top features include a limited slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, xenon headlights, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: cruise control, full power accessories, a rear window defroster, a passenger side airbag, variable valve timing, front fog lights, tinted glass, an anti-lock braking system, and air conditioning. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Duval Ford is located at 1616 Cassett Avenue in Jacksonville. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.